Hi, Secom FPV here. I'm here to speak to you about this flight controller. This is the Nano V6 and also the issue I had when I updated the firmware. So the issue I had when I updated the firmware is when I updated to 3.5.5, basically my motors wouldn't spin up, so I plugged in the battery, went to the motors tab, click the button to say no props on, tried to spin up the motors, nothing, absolutely nothing. So what I did is I got in contact with one of my friends that has the same flight controller and ESC setup, and he basically advised me that when you update the firmware, it actually the gyro becomes inactive. So basically all you need to do is go into CLI and type in a command to activate the gyro. I will take you up to my computer and show you how it's done and what command to put in. Here I am with the Nano V6 hooked up to Betaflight. So to do the firmware, I'm sure everyone knows this, but just in case you don't know, to put the flight controller into DFU mode, come down to CLI, type in BL, enter, and then once you've done that, it will disconnect, and then see up here it says COM3. Obviously if you type in BL and enter, that will say DFU, so that will mean that it's ready for the firmware flasher, but obviously most of you will know that. So yeah, basically come down here. I went into the motors tab, couldn't spin up the motors once the quad was hooked up, and then you want to come down here and you want to type in set space gyro underscore 2 underscore use equals second. That is, can't even focus on it. No, it won't focus. Oh, there we go. Use second. There we go. Set gyro underscore 2 underscore use equals second. Yeah, and that's all you got to do, and then hit enter. Hit enter, and then type in. Don't forget to type in save to the CLI, and then yeah, that should be all good. So yeah, let me know if that helps you. Comment, rate, subscribe if you want. Another thing I want to just go over. So this is my frame design. This is called the CC 170. If you guys, and this is these are just prototypes at the moment. So it's not quite out yet, but this is what I've got so far. And this is a 4-inch racer, all up weight with a 854 cell, is roughly around 280 grams. So it's very nimble and it's very quick. I've got a new pod design coming. It will be a full pod that goes all the way to the edge of this top plate, and it will be like a shark fin pod with a axis sort of antenna mount on there. So that's still yet to come. If you're interested in following me on Instagram, my Instagram is ccframes, spelt cc_FRAMEZ, ccframes Instagram. Yeah, just follow me on that. Also as well, I'll be covering this build. So this build will be a 6-cell build on a 500 milliamp 6-cell battery, and I will also be making my own batteries, and I will be showing you how to do that. Okay, thanks and goodbye.